Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a laptop to repair. It's a customer job, i5 10 Gen, yeah, so this is a nice laptop. Pressing the power button, nothing. Let's plug the charger, plug in the charger, nothing. It's not even, show me like 5 volts, nothing, no negotiation, nothing. Let's open the laptop and see what's going on. Can be the charging port, can be the PD controller, can be a lot of things. Okay, so the laptop is open. And yeah, the battery is unplugged. Yeah, someone unplugged the battery. And it's looking good inside. Let's check the main power rail to see if it's shorted. The main power rail is not shorted. Interesting. Checking with ground. This coil we have 56 ohms, so it is the chipset. CPU, good. Everything is good here. Yeah, all good. Which makes me believe actually we have a faulty charging port. Let's have a look at the charging port. So here is the charging port. Let me check. You know what? This charging port is looking good. So check that every pin is present. On the other side, the same. Every pin is present. So I don't believe it's a charging port. So what can be done if it's not the charging port? Look at the charging port, how it's moving. Check that. You can see the pins. I don't think you can see. Huh? But you know what? Check that. Yeah? So every pad is good. You can see. So basically this port only has to be resoldered and that's all. Just a little bit of flux. 340 degrees, 340. Just to be sure we are not melting the plastic. Or we are melting the plastic with 340. What do you think? No, we are not melting the... Lol, what happened? Okay, if the charging port jumped out, let's add some fresh solder there. Low melting. Check that. Proper nice, right? Yeah, I know. Now there is its fresh old solder. If there is fresh solder, yeah, the port is fine. All we have to do is to solder the port back. We can even lower the temperature, but it's no point to lower the temperature. Good, good, check that. The port is moving up and down, back and forward. You can see it. So I keep press, and now I'm sure 100% this port is soldered. Good. Just a little bit more solder. Oh, you know what? It's fine. It's no problem here. It's like brand new. Let's check if it's working. Yeah. Maybe it's not working. Plug in the charger. Straight away we have negotiating the voltage. 500 milliamps. We have the charging light. And the laptop just started. Let's see if we have picture. 600 milliamps. Can we have picture? We have picture, but no backlight. Lol. So we have picture. You can see Lenovo, but no backlight. Oh, that sucks, you know. Okay, let's see why we don't have picture. So you fix a problem, then you go on another problem. It's like an old car, you know, fix something, okay, tomorrow something else is broken. So that's the screen connector, and most likely we have the high voltage here, yeah? So let's power on. Let's power on the laptop and check the voltage there. We should have 19. Okay, so the laptop is on. The laptop is on. And we have nothing. Lord. Why we have nothing? I'm saved. I don't have to open the laptop. I can't believe. Here we have nothing. Here we have nothing. The 3.3 should be here, right? Yeah, it is here. We are, yeah, you can hear the beep, but no backlight, yeah? We are saved. So basically what happened? On the other side of the board, most likely it is a fuse. And what do we have here is the main power rail. Check here. You can't see, sorry. Here is the main power rail. We have 9.2 volts. So what is the way to go with this repair? Just say it. Just say the word. Just say the word. Just say it, you know? It's fine. I can take it. I can accept any truth. So what do we have? Here we have the 19, right? And what do we need? We need the 19. Actually, not the 19, the main power rail, which is 9 volts, right? This is too big. This is kind of big. It should be fine, you know. Should be fine. Check that. A lot of flux. Flux is good. Yeah, I can't solder with the other hand. Yeah, like that. And it's going where? Here. Bam. That's all. Problem solved, you know. 1 minute. So we have a wire from there. So if you have a problem with this laptop, yeah, just keep in mind how you can fix it. I mean, if you feel an Axios, yeah, you can, you know, add a fuse then. So plugging back the screen, plug in the charger. Let's see if it's smoking. No, it's not smoking, but it's not coming on. Lol. So actually the screen is shorted? No way. I mean, it's taking no current, you can see. If it's taking no current, my main power rail is not present. It's not, it's 0 volts. It's 0 volts. Maybe that's why they are fitting fuses, huh? Do you think? Do you think that's the reason why they are putting fuses? Okay, let's check what is shorted. So taking this out, do we have a short on the 19? No, we have no short. The short is here, from here to here. Lol, it's like 4 amps. Okay, so basically the screen is shorted, or not the screen, the 19 volts power rail. So it's taking 500 milliamps. Nah, check that, yeah? No, no, no way, no way. We have like 2 amps, yeah? And check that we have like 0.5 volts. Now, if it will be the cable to be shorted, the resistance will be higher because you have a long wire. You have a wire like that, so the resistance will be lower. Then the voltage, it will be lower. The current, it will be the same because we set up a limit. Yeah. So the voltage is like 0.5 with how many amps? With like 2 amps is 0.5. That means a very low resistance. That means the short has to be here. Yeah. Yeah, maybe starting from here and it's going through the whole cable. Yeah. Let's have a look inside of this connector. So the connector is looking good here. You can see the connector itself. So that's why they feed a fuse there. I can't believe. Okay, so the plus, yeah. Wait, 1 second, 1 second. The plus, where is the plus? The plus are those wires, yeah? Are 3 wires. And you know what? Are not melted. Yeah, are not melted because, yeah, because the fuse blow up. Ah. Okay, it's making sense why they fit a fuse there. Pointless, I mean, even shorted, your main power rail is not present because there is a current sensor sensing the extra current. So it's kind of pointless, but yeah. Well, the cable is looking good. I don't want to be funny, but it's looking good. So what do you think? Do you think the cable is broken here? Or actually the inverter is shorted? No, probably not. Probably, no, I don't know. Okay, clearly the charging port is good, yeah? Let's put this back. Yeah, let's put it back. So we should open the screen, or... But the thing is the resistance is low. Listen, the resistance is low. But just to make everyone happy, let's check the screen. Maybe can be the inverter, I don't know. Probably not, because the resistance is low. You know what can be? Can be the screen connector. If this cable is that good to have like an internal low resistance, yeah, and it is possible because they are using 3 wires to carry the main power rail to the screen. Well, this is broken here. So it is possible to be the screen connector, yeah. I don't know, the cable is quite long. Wait, this screen has strips? Yeah, it has strips. Lol. So that's one strip, and that's the second one. I mean, I don't understand Lenovo. Some laptops are so nice, like this one. I mean, the keyboard is proper nice build. You see the screen assembly. Everything looks fine and solid. Look at those hinges. Like a proper massive metal. But some laptops are just crap. The screen is untouched, you can see. So do you think it's disconnected? Ha ha! What did I told you? Yeah, no, I told you the screen is close to that connector, but it's not, it's here. So, I mean, check here, this is untouched. I mean, it's no liquid damage, you can see it just got burned. You know, that it just basically got burned. You know, I'm curious, if we unplug this, we still have short there? Let's see. So this is still shorted. No, it's not shorted. You think the screen is shorted? Let's check. No, oh lol, it is 8 ohms. So the screen we have the first 3 pins. This one is fine. The second one short. The third one short. But the first one is good. Ah. Okay, so this one is gone. How can I do it? I can't. Yeah, like that. So this one is gone. Okay, this one is gone. Right? Shorted. And the last one is quite good, right? Yeah, it is good. So let's plug the screen. You see, the manufacturers are so nice. They give you like 3 pins. You have one blow up, you still have 2 left. You have 2 blow ups, you still have 1 left. So we plug the screen. Let's plug the charger. Let's see. It's working! 500 milliamps. Let's see if we have picture. Come on, give me backlight. You know, backlight. I want backlight. Huh? It's working! What did I told you? They fit like extra pins. Just, you know, to make it easy for you. Yeah, it's working great. I can't believe. Yeah, the laptop restart. I can't believe actually it's working. Yeah, it is solid. What do you mean? Look here. Look here. You see? Proper solid. Yeah. Yeah, everything is fine. Escape. Yeah, you see the point I'm trying to make? Just, you know, a nice and pleasant repair. I mean, what options you have? Yeah, just be honest. Yeah. So okay, replacing the connector, replacing the cable because the cable is shipped on the other side, and replacing the screen. Yeah. For what? For one wire here, and pull up 2 pins from the screen. We spend nothing. We spend a wire. We spend nothing on this laptop. We resoldered the port. Yeah. Then we fix this fuse because the fuse blow up from some reason. And then we pull up 2 pins. Some people it'll call this dodgy, but dodgy is a prohibited word on this channel. I mean, it's the channel is set up like every time you write dodgy on chat, it's getting deleted instantly. How can be dodgy? Huh? No, this time I'm not joking. This is my repair. This is what I call a repair, and it will be left like that. This is part from a job lot, yeah, and the customer want cheap repairs, like cheap. Those are cheap jobs. So from the repair on this laptop, so from what we repair on this laptop, I can buy 2 pizza, because there are a lot of laptops. Are a lot of laptops on this job lot. Yeah, so don't get me wrong. Maybe usually what I will do, I will cut the wires from the screen, and I will pass the wires like usual. We made that before, but in this case, it's working. So if it's working, why we should break it if it's working? You know what I mean? Okay, fantastic. So I'll say thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.